The iKegger 2.0 tap system is great for using at home or out and about directly on the keg. It can be used lying down in the fridge, so you just open the door, twist the spout and pour. Sometimes though you want to set up a permanent tap on the outside of your fridge, cooler or through a wall, then connect your keg to it when you're at home. This kit is for you. It consists of a 100mm threaded tap shank to go through the surface. You just need to drill a 22mm hole for it. Sounds scary, but it's just drilling a hole. Unless a fridge has electronics on the door, it's just a thin sheet of plastic, a thin sheet of metal and some insulation. Slide the shank through the hole you've drilled. Then tighten the nut firmly against the inside surface. We have a variety of drip trays that either go on the bench or attach to the vertical surface below the tap. A push-fitting connection screws onto the inside of the shank. Then you just remove the spout from your iKegger 2.0 tap, and the included hose pushes into the fittings at each end. The blue valve onto the tap spout, so that when you take the keg somewhere, you can turn it off to stop liquid dripping out of the hose. The other end of the hose pushes into the fitting on the shank. Then you just turn on the blue valve, so the handle runs along the line rather than across it. Then lock down the button of the 2.0 tap with the button upgrade, so the tap on the outside of the shank is now the operational one and you are all done. Please note that the button upgrade is sold separately as it's used in various add-ons but isn't needed unless you want to use them.